How are you?
Yeah.
Great. I'm here.
Good. Good.
All right.
This wood is just gorgeous.
What is it made out of?
Curly soft maple and curly purple.
Purple heart.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous. That is my favorite of yours. And then immediately I wanted to ask, is it functional?
Yes.
That's incredible.
Battery's good.
Yeah, I love that. What can you tell us about the speaker?
It's made out of cherry burl. The back of it is made out of walnut. Bluetooth speaker. I think it looks kind of like Groot.
Yeah. So cool.
To deal with, like, and overcome personally. Sometimes I get so focused in Melbourne, and I had to, I know that my plan to work for 8 hours. I need to set timers on my phone, it's kind of faded down, but you can see it a little bit here. This is my first time. This right here. Yeah, and so like, you know, like eventually, like this one, I'm not gonna have to do because it's on the top of the skin, and so this piece will just get calcified basically. And so what happens is your like the substance around it. Yeah.